Hello friends, if you have purchased new Android phone and you have installed the WhatsApp and now your WhatsApp icon is not showing the badge icon notification like this. As you can see on my Android phone, there are two different apps. One is for business app of the WhatsApp and the second one is the normal one. But the business one is showing that badge icon notification, but WhatsApp normal app is not showing. Let's fix this together. First, go to the settings. Once you come inside the settings, go to the search. And here you have to type apps. Just tap on the apps option. And now you are inside the apps listing. Here all apps are listed. Now we quickly search with the help of this search button. Type WhatsApp and you will see result. Tap on the first one. And now you will inside the WhatsApp info settings. Okay, here you have to just tap on the notification. Now you are come inside. Now you can see only the one option is enabled, which is the lock screen notification. Now you have to tap on this app icon badge. Once you enable, you will receive, you can see your WhatsApp icon will show the badge icon with the received number of messages like this. Now this is fixed. Also, you can enable the notification or disable the notification if you want with the same properties. Thanks for watching.